everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a comparison between the Pixel 4a and the Motorola Edge. This part of the video is in 4K at 30 frames. So I'm going to do 4K at 30, 1080p at 60 and 30, and then some front-facing video. Y'all hear the fire truck in the background. Slow pan of the Texas skyline. It looks like the Pixel has the better colors as far as what I'm seeing with my own eyes. But how's the stabilization? I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. Yes, I'm at my little famous park here. Just walking around. How does that playground look? At least for the colors. I'm going to try to walk that way. Any focusing problems? Nope. How's the wind? Because it is windy. It just got a big gust of wind for some reason. But y'all let me know. I'm going to switch the audio back and forth like I said. I'm enjoying both phones. Actually, I'm reviewing both of them at the same time. So it's been fun with both phones. But I'm going to come back with the 1080p at 60. That one may just be me walking around. I might put background music because we already tested out the audio. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this 4K footage. I'm trying to get to the swing set. Or, I don't know. Looks pretty good to me. Stay tuned. I'll come back with 1080p at 60 frames. Alright everyone, so this is the front facing camera on both phones. What do y'all think about it? What do y'all think about the 4K at 30 and also the 1080p at 60 and 30? Hopefully y'all like the music playing through the 1080p part of the video. If not, y'all let me know in the comments. Again, I'm going to switch the audio back and forth. Which one actually looks the best right now? I don't know. It looks like the Pixel is doing a better color job of my skin. Maybe. But everything looks pretty good though on both phones. I'm not gonna lie. One is what, $4.99 right now, soon to be $6.99. The other one is $3.49. The Pixel is doing a better job with the sky as far as the colors, except for right there, it's kind of blown out. But when I go back this way, yeah, it does a better job. But what y'all think about this whole video? What y'all thought about the photos? Let's pick a winner. Actually, I'm gonna come back with nighttime video and photos too. And I'm definitely going to make a long comparison video. As you already know, that's what we do here on Forbes Tech Reviews. We do pick winners though, but y'all let me know. $3.49 or $6.99? How's it going so far? I think actually they both doing pretty good, huh? I think I would be happy with both phones. Stay tuned to the rest of the video. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is the nighttime part of the video. I'm shooting this in 4K at 30 frames per second. The Motorola Edge is having a hard time with the lights, while you can see the Pixel 4a is doing a better job. Yes, I'm at my famous little parking lot. But what y'all think? Yeah, it looks like the Motorola Edge is just having trouble with the lights. A little bit. Yes, this part is in 4K at 30 frames. What y'all thought about this whole video? What y'all thought about the daytime photos and video? Let's get a discussion going. Can my Pixel 4a compete with my Motorola Edge? I actually think it can, but let's pick a winner. Definitely want to pick a winner, but y'all let me know how this whole video was. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video in just a moment. Until then, peace. Okay everyone, so this is the nighttime video on both phones. What do y'all think? Again, how do I look? I'm enjoying both phones. I love the screen on the Edge. I love the size of it. The Edge curved display is pretty good. The battery life has been good. Battery life on both phones actually been good. But what y'all think about this video here? Both front cameras are struggling with the lights, which a lot of cameras do, especially the front cameras. But what y'all thought about this whole video? What y'all thought about the 4K footage and also the photos? Not too bad, but definitely want to get the discussion going in the comments. That way we can pick a winner. What y'all thought about the nighttime photos y'all just saw too? I don't know. I think they both, your view, both phones are for different people, I believe. to be honest. I think both phones are for different people. I'm enjoying both phones. Which camera is better? I think I'm going to say overall the Pixel camera is better, but the Edge can do certain things that the Pixel can't do as far as, you know, processing, camera speed, battery life, bigger display. But the Pixel cameras are just, look at them. They are amazing too. And the battery life has been really good. But if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Also, share this video with everyone you know. Let's make sure we get some views on this one. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here.